Good morning and welcome to the island of Phuket. Yes, we are back in Thailand for a second time after beginning our trip in Southeast Asia exploring Bangkok and Chiang Mai before making our way to Laos and Cambodia. We've made our way back to Thailand and are now exploring the island of Phuket. I'm so used to saying we in all of our videos, but unfortunately this week it's gonna be a little bit different. Tyler's actually not with me this week. We spent the last week over on the other side of Phuket at Karen Beach. While we were there, we really just did a lot of relaxing. Unfortunately, while we were there, a few things came up and we're actually both having to fly back to the US to deal with those things. Now, although being here alone kind of sucks, I'm gonna be making the best of it, showing you guys around and really just taking time to try to relax, get some work done, of course with a few adventures mixed in. Which is why a stay here at Selina is actually perfect for the next 4 nights. Now I did get here from Karen Beach a little late, so I'm not gonna be able to show you guys around today, but I promise I will find time later in the week. So I actually had really good intentions of getting up today and going to do yoga because they have yoga here every morning at 8 a.m. But when my alarm went off, I realized I really just wanted to sleep in. So I went back to bed. But I did end up having a really good breakfast. The food here has just been like on point, super great, and I ended up going to the co-working space and I got a ton of work done, mainly because the Wi-Fi at the last place we were at was pretty bad, and now they have a couple activities here on site, so I'm gonna go check those out and just have some fun today. That cooking class was honestly so much fun. It was a lot more like show and tell than the one we did in actual India that was super hands-on. But I'm never gonna complain about a free meal, and now I have a new doha and chai recipe to bring home to Tyler. I definitely didn't get as much done today as I thought I would, but I'm hoping that tomorrow will be a bit more productive. Good morning, guys. It is officially day 3. It's been super weird doing all of this without Tyler, but honestly, I've just been trying to make the best of it. It's about 6 a.m. I really wanted to take advantage of the yoga that they have on site every morning. That isn't until 8 a.m. So I thought I would finally give you guys a property tour and room tour. First things first, Selina, Thailand is located right off the main road, right outside the beach of Rawai here on Phuket Island. Our first stop on the tour today is gonna be reception. So here at reception, they have a lot of little nooks and crannies to check out. They have a local boutique where you can buy some items if you're looking to shop. They have a grab and go section where you can get some snacks and drinks and basic amenities. And of course they have the check-in deck. So you can go there, see all the activities that are on for today and the week that you're staying here. And we're gonna move on now to the rest of the property. There's a cat. Hi, Judy. Is it okay if I come by you? If you make your way further into the property, you'll come across these large buildings, which is where some of the private suites are. This building is mine. I'll show you guys the room later once we're done with the property tour because I have to go up a set of stairs and I don't feel like doing that twice. Another cat. First stop today is the on-site fitness center, which I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been there myself yet. Thank God there's no one in here. We've got all sorts of amenities out here. I don't know why I'm whispering, but it feels weird being in a gym completely alone. We've got treadmills, free weights, weight machines, bikes, a little station over there where you can connect to the Bluetooth speaker. They've got a water jug. Compared to other hotel gyms I've been to, compared to other hotel gyms I've given tours of, this is a really nice one. Now on to the next spot. Quick interruption because I want to let you guys know that I saved the very best adventure this week for last. Stay tuned till the end to see what it is. I promise it's worth it. Back to whatever I was showing you guys before. Second stop on our tour today is Selina Home, which is kind of like a community site where you can come use the kitchen. This is also where we had our Indian cooking class yesterday. There's an on-site cinema and library and games that you can check out. Perfect spot if you're looking to meet some people, come hang out, get to know some new travelers. And next stop I want to show you guys before it gets too busy is the co-working site. I'm gonna try to get there before anyone else does because it's always busy. The this is the first time I've been here that it's been empty. It pays off to get up early if you want to see some things without any people around. Here in the co-working site, they've got a bunch of tables, lots of outlets, water on site for you to use, a bathroom, a small kitchen, office setup with a printer, and the Wi-Fi here has been incredible. I think I've said that a few times. Apparently, if you make your way outside, there's a rooftop. Wow. I think this would be the most perfect spot to come and watch the sunrise. The sunrise is literally straight in front of us, and I think it would just be so beautiful. And it's a great view of the rest of the property too. Back down because there's one more spot I want to show you guys that's in the co-working space. How amazing is this? You literally can come out, there's a pool, if you want to work by the pool, and it comes right out onto the beach. So amazing. Thankfully, all these little nooks and crannies are air conditioned. The next stop here is this hidden little pool that I just found. This looks like the most peaceful spot I found so far. There's a little bar, hammocks, cabanas, loungers. You can't get better than that. Onwards, because if I don't move on, I'm never gonna finish. Last stop of the day, the main pool and restaurant on site. I do want to mention really quick that this pool also sits right on the beach. The restaurant and bar are kind of split up and they both sandwich the pool in between them. My favorite thing that I've gotten on the menu is their California burger that is a salmon burger, and it was absolutely delicious. I had it last night. Highly recommend. Also, both the bar and the restaurant buildings have rooftops on top. My guess is that this rooftop that's over the bar is where the different classes are held, group activities, and I also spy a massage spot. We're finally back to my building. Welcome to my room. I'm gonna be honest, it's super weird doing this tour without Tyler, because usually he's like always doing it with me, but I'm gonna show you guys around. So I've got 4 gigantically large closets here. I've got my bed here. Each side has a nice little stand. The greatest thing is that the air conditioning here is incredible because it gets so hot. I'm sure you guys saw I was already starting to just drip and it's not even 8 a.m. yet. So the AC is amazing. A little TV area with like little coffee and tea things. Oh, my little own personal workspace, which is really nice, even though I use the bed. And the bathroom. Also, the shower is huge. Like, you can literally touch both sides without touching both sides. One of my favorite spots is out here on the balcony. And I can just come out here and enjoy a little cup of tea. That's pretty much my room. I'm gonna cool down for a bit before heading off to yoga. After having an exceptionally nice morning with some yoga and a good breakfast again, I figured I'd come to the pool and relax. Selina has a couple pools here. The one over by the beach was pretty busy, but I found this kind of hidden one, and I have it literally all to myself. So pretty cool. It's officially day 4 here in Phuket, and I decided before I leave I should go do something pretty special. So I decided to book a tour through the Selina app. You can see everything from the menu on site to different activities you can book to who else is staying on the property to come out and check out the Phi Phi Islands. That's how our guy pronounces it, so don't judge me if that's wrong. It is pretty weird doing this all without Tyler, but I know he would love it, and hopefully one day I get to bring him back here and show him just like how incredible it is.
So small like this. So I don't want this child like that. I was smiling and friendly.
First up here is Maya Bay. We're not allowed to go up onto the beach, but it's very beautiful. well you guys can hear me, but this is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. Truly incredible. This needs to be one of the places you have to visit in your lifetime. It's just amazing. We did some snorkeling and it was amazing. I'm actually very proud of myself for getting into the ocean and snorkeling because usually I'm terrified and I grip onto Tyler's hand and he kind of leads me through it. But yeah, went out there, did it. It's just gonna be a good day. I'm gonna enjoy my last day here in Thailand. After a stop for lunch at Phi Phi, we made it to our last stop at Bamboo Island. I'm gonna be completely honest, at this point of our day, I was pretty tired out after being in the sun and water for almost 12 hours. After a nap on the beach, a quick snack on the boat ride home, and even a pit stop to see some monkeys, I was finally ready to begin my 38-hour journey back to the United States to see Tyler. What will our next adventure be? And is our world trip over? Subscribe to find out.
I fell earlier.